Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Storage Sense on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Storage Sense automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files, and manages locally available cloud content. Learn how to turn it on or off by following these steps. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Storage. In the Storage Management heading, you can see the option for Storage Sense. You can enable or disable it here, or click the arrow button to get more options. Here you can adjust the Storage Sense settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.